y'all. Bruce got here watering my garden for me today.
When you were born a dog, but aspired to be a gardener. What to do when you're advised against jumping to conclusions? Taking the stairs.
Good girl, good girl.
It seems like Doggo's first day as a sight assistant is going really well. When you detest water, but do not want to miss out on the fun. Doggo is finally achieving his dream job, professional beverage holder. When your bestie is around and all you want to do is say hello to him.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
If there were an award for the cutest lifeguard, that fluffy boy would definitely win.
Like, tell me what else is here.
Dog action.
Seems like this Captain Dog has a new case to solve. Kudos, Captain Dog.
Bailey, please. You better quit cussing. I just took you outside. Leave me alone. Ask him. You.
Penny circle. Good girl, Penny.
There is no shape too hard for this genius, especially with some treat boosters around.
Get the plus. You got it. All the way. Good girl.
At any sleepover party, there is always a sleep talker. Every time I come home late, my siblings have to open the door for me. Merci, guys.
Ajde sada zatvori vrata.
You're done. You're done.
How I expect my dog to act after he eats my homework. When your friend group is different in appearance, but united in the love language of physical touch. This is me when my sibling asks to borrow my favorite toy ever.
You can spin it.
She lost it. Here we go. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Going to work with Dad because who else can take over this family business?
Let's go.
How to tell your human that you do not want to leave them all in the most straightforward way possible. Hide your girl, folks, because this skater boy is here to steal all the attention. Looks like Human is testing whether sending his dog to a first aid class is worthwhile. Such a blessing, because every time you have a problem, your dog is always by your side. When your mum tells you to only pack the essentials, but your and her definitions of essential are very different. This is living proof that you don't need a jack to recreate that iconic scene from Titanic.
Hit. High five. High five out.
Yeah, good job.
Seems like the most effective way to summon a dog is opening your front gate.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold him. Yeah, that right there. What the dog doing?
Somebody please give that cutie the title of the class's top student, because he definitely deserves it. When you told your dog to catch the ball, but he misheard and caught everyone's attention instead.
Is that the funniest thing?
Hey girl, I got a question for you. Did you get into this? Did you do that, Bells? You're not gonna look at me? Huh? It's okay, girl. It's okay.
If you don't know how to swim, no worries. I'll take you to the shore.
Alright, welcome to the garden of Brian. Got a little bit of everything growing. Including pit bulls, we grow pit bulls in here. Almost ready. Or maybe almost ready.
How do you like today's video? Tell us about your favorite moments in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more hilarious canine smarties. Thanks, and see you next time.